Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to redirect visitors from your Google Sites page to any other web page you want. This works great if you moved your site, changed a link, or just want to point people somewhere else. So let's jump right in. So first, open your Google site and head into the editor. Nothing fancy here, just make sure you're on the page where you want the redirect to happen. Now, Google Sites doesn't have a built-in redirect button, but we can still do it using the embed tool. And don't worry, it's super simple. Choose the embed code option. This lets us add a tiny bit of HTML that does the redirect for us. All right, go ahead and paste this line of code. It's just a simple redirect, nothing weird. Replace the link with wherever you want people to go, your new homepage, a form, anything like that. Once you're done, just insert it. Now, quick tip, the embed box might look big on the page. You can shrink it or tuck it somewhere subtle. The redirect still happens instantly, so your visitors won't even see it. Last step, hit publish. And once your site updates, anyone who opens that page will jump straight to your chosen link automatically. And that's it. You now know how to redirect a page in Google Sites the easy way. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.